Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, migrations in Django framework. In Django framework, once we prepared model database table construction, we have to migrate it and update to the database completely, where we have to readily available and readily invoke into the application, use all the parameters which are available in this particular model. View this video session. For more details, watch it.
Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about how we will handle migrations in Django framework. The migration, it's a model we need to migrate into the database. We can call it as migrations. And by default, there is a default earlier we have discussed with this about db.sqlite we are going to be using in this particular session, whereas you will have a support of a large number of databases like enterprise DBs of RDBMS. You can say that MS-SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and many. This all will support in this particular Python framework. And we see this window we are using, this is like a db.sqlite. For this, you need to access this database in the browser. There is an option, you have to go to download, go to the browser and just Google it, the keyword is SQLite browser, SQLite browser. Hit enter. You will find earlier this is an sqlbrowser.org. Now click here. You can download the browser. See, DB browser for SQLite. That is the database we can visualize using the GUI. That is a simple thing. You can download it and install based on your operating system version from the downloads. Once it is downloaded, see now it's the Windows XP and a portable Windows 7, many Mac operating system and Linux operating system, or OpenSUSE, Debian. The procedure is also it's available over here. Once you can download and install in your system, and you can access this particular database. Now see how in my system I'll show you this DB browser SQLite. Click the DB browser. Once the installation is finished, it's a simple task only. Click next, finish. Once it is completed successfully installation, you can open DB browser for SQLite. It will be open like this. And here you can open database, drag and drop here, it can be possible, or else open database by jump projects. And here, that is my first here, and PyShop. Here it is in a database db.sqlite. Is there anything else here? Tables of 0, and in case views, everything, everything is 0 here. Why? Till we have a prepared for a model, we didn't migrate it into the database. So now we will see how to execute migrate command, and let me check. Let's get back here and let's check. Now there is a command called for the migration Python space manage.py space make migrations. The command is single command only. MAKEMIGRATIONS, make migrations is a single command. You have to hit for an enter. Now see here, no changes detected. How it is possible? I have a prepared for a model here to go to insert a create in a database table, and I have to prepare these columns also here, and it's saying that no changes detected. Why it is? I don't know why. And see, there is a changes if it is not saying that application product what we have created in a product of app, this products we need to integrate into the main manage setting. Okay, we will see how it can be map with the main settings app. Like main settings means this is the settings app. We have to tell the main project root folder that installed apps. That is also we are calling it is an app like products. We have to integrate into the main settings application project level. That's on a global setting we need to integrate. All right. For this, where it can be available under the products app, you can see apps.py. There is in a file class file is there products dot like a products config space app configuration name is products. Yeah, take appropriately. If you want to type, you can type, whereas the case sensitive of the case of the notation will not be changed. Now go to the settings of the main project folder. Here under the installed apps, where you have to specify at the end of the line, take a comma, and here you can write here like our package name is products dot app apps apps dot paste this line what we have copied from there from the products app products dot apps dot products configuration. Okay, now you can run once again, you can save it and once again you can run the terminal command by taking the up arrow. You will have a same command, that is the command is python space manage.py space make migrations. Now hit enter over here. Now you will see migrations for products migrations 0001 underscore initial.py create model products. It is in a model is created, it's showing. Now let's see whether it is created where. And the path is specified under the products migrations. It is in a folder migrations. Now see 001 0001 underscore initial py. It is created for the first initialization. If it is your open, many things will be displayed here. There's the class migration, it is created, and the dependencies and the operation it will show. What is the operation it's going to be creating? With the migration help creating a model class, it is the method like a fields of id, name, price, stock, image, url. These are the things are going to be involving. By default, Django framework will taken care about id. Earlier, once we created in a model, we didn't use any id. This is the id we are not created here. And the Python model, like a Python framework, automatically the model preparation, the id is in a mandatory for all tables with a auto increment primary key and a serialize is equal to false or false, and likewise it will automatically creates. All right, every model it will be automatically it will show you. And now once we have done with this first command, now the second command we need to have a hit for migrations. We will see for the migration of the package. Once it is created, we need to initialize this model. All right, now we will run this command. The command is the same thing here for python space manage.py. Now we need to hit for a command is migrate. Now we need to hit for a command is migrate. Now hit for a command. Now see, applying all the things. That is the first time we are going to done this. See, many things has happened. Applying content types, and these are the applying to migrations of admin or content type, products, sessions. Why these all? Django framework by defaultly it will give you a module of admin, authentication module, content types, and products what we have created, and the sessions. These are the tables and migrations will happens with SQLite. We'll see now here, and once again you can open or refresh here. Once again I can go there and open here. Now see here how many things are came here. It's a beauty. These are the auth. If it is a prefix is in a text is an auth indicates as an auth module, and the Django admin is an admin module, and the migrations, and the here it is in a products. Have you seen this? This is the columns only we have prepared. Like any number of tables, you can prepare the same thing by creating the model and integrating with that app and the admin main settings file and run the make migrations and migrate it by using the command of python space manage.py space migrate. That's it. It's over. And you have an exercise anyhow in this for creating one more table with along with the model, and you have to perform this, and I'll provide you a solution along with this notebook. Find out. Hope you understand about how to create and migrations of the migration of the database and invoking with the database table with the SQLite. In the next session, we will see how to involving with the next steps of majorly for admin project, like you accessing of the admin module to enabling and accessing of the admin module through the browser. Right? Thank you for watching this session.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.